Okay, welcome back to the channel. This video we're going to dissect a police shooting after they forced entry to a premises and shot an offender who was stabbing a victim inside a house. My name's Matt. I was an operational cop for nearly 17 years, specialising in general duties, organised crime and training. I don't know everything to know about policing, but I can certainly share some knowledge.
911, what's your emergency?
Hi, my neighbors are yelling. I believe somebody broke into their home. There's a lot of things breaking, and you can hear a lot of loud bangs. They're like yelling pretty loud.
Start with the address, okay?
You just told me someone with a knife that broke in the window.
Nobody has a weapon. I don't know what it is until I get something in his hand. Hello? Yeah?
Yes. Hello?
Yes. There's a person, it's dark. They broke into my friend's house. Nobody has something in his hand.
What does he have in his hand? What does he have in his hand?
It looks like a knife.
Okay, so when it comes to these sorts of jobs, when you start to get multiple calls that are all describing a similar serious incident, that's when you know that it's really a no BS call. You get a lot of furphy calls out there, but when you get multiple calls coming in and they all say the same thing or very similar or describing relatable things, you know that it's a no BS job and you're walking into something big.
He's not right here.
LA County Sheriff's Department.
He's got scissors?
He's got scissors in his hand. Hey, drop everything in your hand. Drop everything in your hand. He's at the door right now with scissors in his hand. Drop every.
Under the circumstances, although this has come in, the job's come in as if it's a burglary or break and enter. It's very unlikely that you've got suspects will remain in the house. Once they know that the jig's up, they'll generally leave. They'll leg it. The fact that he's still there and he's armed with a pair of scissors inside the house indicates to me that this is one of two things. It's either a domestic related incident or he's probably got some mental health issues and he thinks for some reason that he needs to be in that house.
And now.
Check out. What's up?
Hey, girl, he's got a man at the door.
You can see him, right? He went to the other room. Where's that on at?
Which door is he at?
He was at this one, but I think he's walking towards the front.
Okay.
The LA County Sheriff's Department, if you're inside the house, come out with your hand down now.
Okay, so what they're doing now is they're containing the house. They would have a perimeter up, making sure that no one can leave or go into the house. Now that indicates to me that there's no stimulus for them to go in. There's nothing to indicate that anyone's being caused any harm inside the house. They've just got a male armed with a knife or a pair of scissors inside the house and he's barricaded himself in there.
If you're inside Flores Avenue Boulevard, come out with your hand down now.
Right.
Okay, so at this point, someone's made the decision that they're going to enter the house as safely as they can and arrest this offender. Now you can see they've got a ballistic shield to protect themselves from any weapons that might come at them. But again, it doesn't appear they're in any rush to get in there. It would indicate to me there's nothing forcing their hands to do this.
This window off to the left, correct?
Yeah. Right away 40. You saying right here, scissors, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, scissors this time? So scissors. Okay, you're ready to go. Over.
Now you notice that they're smashing a window with a Halligan tool. Look, that is not necessarily a bad idea. It can be used as a distraction for police to enter in from another location. But yeah, going through the window, not really that great of idea if you're not equipped to do that. The glass is very sharp, very dangerous, and you can very easily, significantly hurt yourself.
Screaming. He's grabbing her. He's grabbing her. Get it.
From here, you can hear a person screaming inside, and another officer saying he's stabbing her, stabbing her. Now, essentially, what you've got here is an active armed offender situation. It may not be in a shopping centre or a school, but he's still actively armed and trying to kill people inside. So your priority there is to move directly to that threat and stop any killing from there.
Go, in. Go, go, go. He's grabbing her. He's grabbing her. Sheriff's Foreman!
Let's just discuss their speed of movement through that premises. You'll notice that they're not conducting a thorough clearance as they're moving through, yet you don't need to do that. You just be aware of your surroundings. Don't pay off other thresholds, but move directly to that threat. You can hear that screaming. Move straight there and stop that threat as quick as you can. Now you notice that the officer fired about 9 rounds into that offender quite accurately. You can see the laser is on the offender. The laser barely moves at that distance, so the officer's quite skilled and quite a good shooter. Now, not only that, he's engaged that threat until it's gone. Now, there's a myth out there in terms of double tap or things like that. No, you engage the threat until the threat is gone. Another thing that indicates to me that he's quite a skilled shooter is that his reload speed is quite good. He's ejected that mag quite quick and reloaded very quickly.
Hey, someone.
And more great work from the cops. They've dragged that victim away from the offender, and spare police have gone in and secured that offender. Okay, you'll obviously notice the change in shirt. Sorry, I had a bit of a mishap with the camera recording. Now, if you liked the video, I need you to do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and chuck a comment down below. It helps the algorithm, helps the channel grow, and helps me motivated to keep the videos coming out. So if you like the channel, do those things for me, and it'll be much appreciated, and we'll see you in the next episode.